In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a space public or private in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here two spaces. You can see I have team space and reports space. I'd like to go ahead and make one of them public or even private. I'll show you both. To do that, it is quite simple. Just head over to these ellipses and then click on the settings, and from here click on sharing and permission. Now you can see this space is currently public, and to make it private you can just go ahead and change this, make private. Now if I make it private, now you can see the team has a lock, meaning it is private. Should I want to make it public, I can come again and just click on it, and now it will be public. So that's how you can make a space public or private in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.